Alright guys, today we're looking at one of our full throttle race bikes. This one races women's class and open. It's on 36 Assassinators on the 20-inch Heeley wheels by Super ATV, followed by the 4-inch Super ATV lift kit, all Rhino axles all the way around. This one's the XXC with the reservoir KYB shocks. On the motor we have a Gen 1 800 based motor with a full throttle big bore and race cams on the stock intake and stock throttle body. Full throttle race series footwells with the 4-inch lift as room for the 36s. Moving to the back, we have the full throttle diff brace, full diff brace and subframe. NPP super nasty exhaust. Full throttle nitrous system, custom seat cover. In the clutch cover we have a CV Tech, and this year we've upgraded to a STM secondary. We had a stock secondary in there and it wasn't quite back shifting for us during the race season. Blew a belt in one of the races. XMR snorkel horn, billet brake levers, gas cap, shifter, 2-inch pivotable riser. Powder coating done by Villain Ride Company. They do an amazing job. This purple shifts colors in the light. Some of the sponsors: FXR, Toon Monster, Specialty Tire, RMC Graphics did the wrap kit on this one. Really set it off with the purple and lace. NMF ionic friction reducer is an oil additive, works really well. Of course, Super ATV got a lot of their products on this bike. Seems to be working pretty well last season. We're going to try it again this season, and we'll fire her up for you.